Hello students, welcome back St. Elizabeth School e-learning classes for class 9th Mathematics chapter 15 unit probability resource person Ratsar with the session 15.1. The last session we have learned about the introduction and few example of the same unit. First three example we have seen. I hope you got over the sum. We go with the second session with the few new example today. Over the example 14 you can see one of the page of the telephone dictionary. There are 200 telephone numbers. The frequency distribution of unit place given, for example, in the number 25828573. 3 is the unit place at which same way the digits are given to you 1 2 3 4, and the certain number of frequencies are as 22 26 22. Over this pattern of the statistical probability, how to consider? Without looking to the page, the pencil is placed on the one of the number, that is choose the number is randomly. What is the probability for the unit place? Suppose it is coming for the 6 is given in the question. For the probability for the getting the 6 at a unit place, children, there is a formula. Probability is represented by probability of the event is a upcoming outcome by total outcome. What is the result of the getting the probability is necessary asked probability divided by upcome total number of the possibility outcomes. We have asked probability is the unit at the 6 being frequency is 14. Over the digit 6 we have the frequency 14. So 14 divided by 200. How we calculate 200? There are 200 telephone number. Front stage is there where you can get from the question directly. If it is not stated in the question, simply you have to do the total of the frequency, that is 22 26 22 22 20 10 14 28 16 20. When you sum up this of the total frequency, we have 200 over the total frequency. So as stated probability for the unit place of 6, 14 divided by 200, we will get 0.07. How the reduction is done? 2 ones are 2 and 14 is divided by 14 upon 200 was deducted like so on. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. 17 divided by 100, that is 0.07. 7 divided by 100, which gives you from the unit place you considered from the back, and insert one more zero because two zeros are denominator. And for the one place value digit is decimal. Decimal is without preceding no number is mentioned, then we will take as a 0. Henceforth you can come across similarly the empirical probability of the occurrence of the number having the other digit for the other unit place. You can calculate for the other number also, and same way you have considered the first telephone number with the ending the unit place with the 6. Now see, let's see another example. Example number 5. Or the fifth example, the recording of the weather station is there, which shows the past 250 consecutive days. Last 250 consecutive means daily they are doing the recording over the certain forecast, out of which the forecast was correctly outcome was for 175 days. Total 250 days they have put the experiment, out of which 175 days there is a possible for the correct frequency. Whatever the transmitter has or the recorder station, whatever the instrument is been forecasting, that is predicted, that is correct. That is the probability is given 175. What is the probability on that day given is correct, and second question is asked if it is not correct in a given day. So we go with the positive scenarios, children. When the case is the forecast was done positive on the given day. So what is the probability? Probability stands for P, and the total number of the days was forecasted was 250. After this calculation, we go with the first stage. Number of the days when the forecast was correct divided by total number of days for the record is available. We have the 175 days forecast was correct. Out of 250 total days, we divide and sum up. with the phi table both, we get 0.7. 175 divided by 250, we get 0.7. Same way, the number of the days when the forecast was not correct. How to calculate not correct days? We have total days. Out of total days, corrected forecast you deduct, then you will get non-corrected days. That is the second stage. Non-corrected days was forecast 75 days. For that probability, how to consider 75 divided by 250? The probability for the forecast was not correct, that is 75 divided by 250. 25 tens are 25 threes are. When we deduct, we get 3 by 10, and when we show of the 3 by 10, that is 0.3. This way we can find the probability of the second point. You have been learned in the theory session prior that the sum of the total probability is 1, 0 to the 1. So when we have the positive and negative forecast both sum up, that is 0.7 plus 0.3, then we get total answer is 1. So the calculation which we have considered, that is correct forecasted for the probability of the weather station. This way we considered fifth example. Let's see another example, children. In example number 6, here the example 6 you have been given, tire manufacturer company is given a record for the distance covered before a tire need to be replaced. Before we are using certain thing, depreciation is getting on that regular using of the vehicle, that is lease your tire, and one day you definitely need to change your tire as you are using over your bicycles. Yeah, you used to do change over the certain period after it gets vanish. Now this showing a table for 1000 cases. Total cases are 1000. If the particular tire of the company do the prediction that it the less than 4000 kilometer if the travel is done, then 20 tires to be replaced. Between 4000 to 9210 tires to be replaced. If the vehicle is transported by 9000 to 14000 kilometer, then the frequency is to be changed by 325, and more than 14,000 there are number of the tire is 445. This way there were total 1000 case tested for the result of the manufacturer of the company. If you buy a tire of the company, then what is the probability? Certain scenario are being asked with a different question. As we come across with the question is a manufacturer company of the tire is there is a certain probability question of individual scenario. Let's see the first scenario. If it is to be replaced before 4000 kilometer, before 4000 kilometers, sir, we have less than 4000, that is 20 of the number of tire. We have the less than 20 for before covering over the 4000 kilometer. Before covering of the 4000, we have 20 number of the prediction of distance to be covered. So for that first scenario, let's see the one consideration how it is done. For total number, we know our trial is 1000 tires, out of which that is to be before 4000 kilometer is 20, as I shown you over the question part. Here probability for the tire to be covered before 4000 is 20 by 1000 is 0.02. Same way we go with the second question. Second question asks for more than 9000. For more than 9000 kilometer is more than 14000 is given. More than 9000, so we will not take 9001. Beyond the 9000 which we have, that is 445, that only we supposed to take. But 9000 above is stated, so we will take also along with the more than 14000 and 9000 to 14000 also. When we sum up both, then we will get 770. In the second scenario, more than 9000 was given. Exactly above 9000 was 9000 and above was given. So we are supposed to take 9000 kilometer frequency was 325 plus above 9000 was 14000 more than that was 445 frequency. When we sum up, that is 770. So trial for more than 9000 was 170 divided by 1000 is 0.77. Same way question asking for the third scenario. The third question is asking for need to be replaced where somehow 4000 and 14,000. 4000 and 14,000 in between place. In between is the two scenario, that is the 210 and 325. We sum up that we will gain 535. To get a 535, 4000 to 14,000 in between range is given. When a question asks for the range between 4000 to 14,000, at that time we have 210 kilometer frequency and 325. Total is 535. So tire to be replaced between 4000 and 14,000 is 535 divided by 1000, we get 0.535. When we sum up 0.53 plus 0.77 and probability of the first scenario is that is 0.02. After doing the sum up, we will get of the 3 of the probability total will be 1. This way we considered the example number 6. They is related to the tabulation format over which prediction over the tire running kilometer to be replaced. I hope you clear over the concept with the 3 example today. Try the practice over the same example and later on we will see the next example in the next scenario. Thank you.